Oh, alright.
Urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Fairfield County, eastern Franklin County, Ohio, Gahanna, Tickerington, Bexley, Pawtascalaw, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Johnstown, Summit Station, Beechwood Trail, Whitehall, Etna, New Albany, Bobetz, Jersey, Urban Crest, Lockbourne, and Bryce. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. 5 inches of rain has fallen in a little more than an hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Grove City. Affecting our listening area. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity. Rest of today, showers with a slight to report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media where you can do so safely. Shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding.
Oh, what's going on?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for northwestern Fairfield County, eastern Franklin County, Ohio, southwestern Licking County until 8 p.m.
Yes.
At 2:45
Cancel the flash flood warning.
Going into warm area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen, with some additional rainfall possible this afternoon. Some locations that may experience flooding include Reynoldsburg, Summit Station, Jersey, Blacklick Estates, Gahanna, Columbus, Grove City, Tickerington, Bexley, Pawtascalaw, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Johnstown, Beechwood Trail, Whitehall, Etna, New Albany, Bobetz, Urban Crest, and Bryce. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.